Good morning, Jolene. How are you this morning? See if I got any eggs this morning. Sun's bright already. I still don't have any hay, but I put a little bit of sawdust in there in the nest, and I still got to get some hay, but they hadn't laid in a couple days. Let's see what we got. Hey, we got an egg in the nest. All right, and it looks pretty. Let's see here. Still a little bit small, but it's a little bigger, I think, than the ones I've gotten so far. There we go. Now you girls got to start putting these out now. It's time to get some eggs. They're looking for some food too. So I'm gonna put the camera down and feed these girls. Okay, so over the weekend, Russ got the tile in the kitchen laid and grouted. He's been busy this weekend. So we've got tile, and we're ready to start thinking about putting some cabinets in. Got to finish a little bit more of the mudding on this wall over here where the fridge is going to go, and then on these corners. We've got to finish these corners right here. I'm going to work on that today. And then Dad and Russ are working on the floor in the master bedroom.
And what I'll end up doing actually here.
Okay, so while they work on that, I'm going to work on this drywall in the kitchen, and we'll see how much we get done today. This is Vivian. She's my niece. She's testing the child-proof quality of our new floor. How do you like the new floor, Vivian?
Good.
What are you painting?
My box floor was the roof.
You painting your box fort?
Was the shelf roof.
All right. It's very pretty.